The Princess and the Mysterious Bird. Once upon a time, in a grand empire, there was a king who loved his daughter immensely. The princess was not only beautiful, but also kind-hearted. However, she would always gaze towards the sea, as if something was calling her. One day, a mysterious fairy appeared in the king's court and said, "Your Majesty, the princess's fate is tied to the sea. If you do not send her there, your kingdom will face great misfortune." The king was heartbroken at the thought of parting with his daughter, but he had no choice. Meanwhile, in a distant village, there lived a poor but honest man with his 4 sons. The youngest son was extremely intelligent and brave. His elder brothers often underestimated him, but everyone admired his wisdom. When the king announced that whoever could protect the princess and uncover her destiny in the sea would be rewarded, the youngest son volunteered. The king gifted him a magical sword and a golden feather from a mysterious bird, saying, "This bird will help you in times of trouble." The princess and the young man set out towards the sea. As they reached the shore, a fierce storm arose, and a terrifying sea monster appeared. "The princess belongs to me," the monster roared. "If you wish to save her, you must pass 3 difficult trials." The first trial. The young man had to retrieve golden pearls hidden inside a deep cave. The path was extremely dangerous, with death lurking at every step. However, he did not lose hope. Using his intelligence and skill, he overcame all obstacles and secured the pearls. The second trial. He had to fetch the water of immortality from an enchanted mountain. The mountain was covered in snow and guarded by supernatural beings. As he approached, the ground trembled, and icy giants attacked him. At that moment, the mysterious bird descended from the sky, spreading a brilliant light with its feathers, forcing the giants to retreat. The young man successfully obtained the water of immortality. The third and final trial. This was the hardest of all. He had to dive into the depths of the sea and unlock a mystical chest. As he entered the water, dark shadows surrounded him, and a terrifying voice echoed, "Opening this chest is no easy task. If you fail, you will be trapped in the ocean forever." But the young man remained fearless. Using his intelligence, he solved the riddles and finally unlocked the chest. The moment the chest opened, a dazzling light emerged, and the mysterious fairy reappeared. "Your courage has changed the princess's destiny," she said with a smile. "She is no longer the princess of the sea, but worthy of becoming the queen of the land." Instantly, all the magical forces hidden in the depths of the ocean vanished, and the sea monster was destroyed forever. When the king received the news, he was overjoyed and declared the young man his heir. The princess and the young hero were married and ruled the kingdom with justice and kindness. But some say that even today, the mysterious bird sometimes appears on the palace roof to ensure that all is well.